This message is giving you a confirmation from the divine that all endings result in new beginnings. You must have a deep understanding in your heart that God always loves you. God never intended for anything to go wrong in your mind, heart, and soul. But if you lose faith, it's the same thing as letting evil into your heart. Stay thankful and try to find the good in everything. You will then have the ability to grant people the healing and peace that they so richly deserve. The time has come to really put your new love and yourself first. If you still harbor resentments, frustrations, and sadness from your past love for another person, you must let them go. You come back stronger than you realize because the divine is so devoted to seeing to it that you are completely healed and reborn. You're the kind of person who can perceive the vision from a great distance, and your intuitiveness is very important and plays a huge part of you. From this point forward, always have faith that the higher realm is guiding every choice you are making for yourself. Remember that if something unexpectedly appears in front of you, it didn't happen by accident. Remember that the universe has arranged for all good things to come your way. You have worked incredibly hard to advance in all key aspects of your life, including mentally, spiritually, physically, and financially. Allow the universe to lead you in the right direction and positive way for success. Since your angels are the only ones who truly understand your needs, give them control of your thoughts. You could never travel with better direction or a better map than what they provide. Keep holding onto your faith because you will never be lost as long as you are with them. Take on all the suffering from your past and always use it as a roadmap for your life. Now that you have the ability, you can easily avoid any harmful influences in your life. Nothing should cause your thoughts to be clouded by evil. You have every opportunity now to push yourself to your limits because the divine knows you are capable of accomplishing anything you set your mind to. Always give yourself credit for making progress every day. Embrace your positive energy and follow it. It typically serves as a sign that the good you've been longing for is more within reach than it has ever been.